April 2016, Part A. What is the difference between do get and do post method? This method is used to send the unlimited amount of data along with a request to the web resources. And do get method, the parameters are appended to the URL and sent along with the header information. In the do post parameter or sent in separate line in the body. The maximum size of the data that is sent using the do get method in 240 bytes. What is the destroyed method? We define the initialization and destroyed method within the Spring Bean. We configure using the initiate method and destroyed method in XML based configuration file. The initialization method will be called immediately after bean creation and destroyed method will be called before killing the bean instance. What is session? The session is simply means a particular interval of time. It is also known as session management in servlet. The hypertext transfer protocol is a stateless. We need to maintain state using session. The session tracking technique, each time the user requests to the server treat the request into the new request. Define builder tool. The application builder tool, the primary purpose of the bean is enable the visual construction of application. These tools are referred as visual application builder or builder tool or short. Typically, such tools are GUI application, although they need not to be. Define the toolbox. A toolbox are also called toolkit, tool chest or the workbox. Is a box to organize, carry and protect the owner tools. They could be used for trade, the hobby and DIY, and their contents vary with the craft of the owner. What are the advantages of EJB? EJB advantages: to access EJB, free security is provided, declarative transaction is provided, EJB are cached and polled, container manage the EJB lifecycle, remote access capabilities are present, cluster the sake of scalability. The object-oriented concept supported the inheritance. The usage of attributes or annotation based on this programming is possible. The free usage and access of complex resources. EJB disadvantages. Enterprise Java Beans disadvantages. The complicated and large specification, increased time of development, complexities are added in comparison straight Java classes, potentials to create a more essential, costly and complex solution. The continual revisions of the specification, lot of resources are used a lot of artifacts, require the understanding of certain tactics. Example, generality and rolling back transaction infrastructures like a business delegates, value objects, session facades and strategies like the dirty maker and lazy loading, etc. 7. Define stateful session bean. The stateful session bean is a type of enterprise bean which preserves the conversational state with client. The stateful session bean, as per name, keeps associated client state in instance variable. EJB container creates separate the stateful session bean to process client each request. What are the use of skeleton? Skeleton belongs to the service provider side and stubs belong to the server side. At the lower level, stub and skeleton communicate with each other. From the client side, the business object communication with stub objects and stub take the responsibility from the message and invoke the web service. A defined remote object. A remote object is the object that defined method that can be called by the client located on the remote Java virtual machine JVM. A remote object implements one or more remote interfaces that declare remote method of an object. 10. Write any two disadvantages of JSP. Output of the HTML which is not rich in features. Difficult to debug trace errors since JSP pages are translated into servlet and compiled. JSP pages require more time when accessed for the first time as they are to be compiled on the server. Database connectivity is not easy, it should be. 11. What is directive tag? The directives are used to control the aspects of the tag file translation to the tag handler and to specify the aspects of the tag, the attributes of the tags and variable exposed. The directives can use the tag files. The tag file directives, we will see that different types of available tags. 12. Write any one advantages of JMS. JMS is a Java message service asynchronous communication. The message queues of a JMS provide high performance, high throughput due to asynchronous behavior. Extensive industry support. JMS specification can be easily implemented in prevailing message server. Thank you.